Alright, howdy huns, welcome to another edition of Stephsgotit. Yay. Alright, so today I have a package, and it's not China mail though. It is actually from Washington. Is that Washington? I can't see. My glasses don't see that far down. But it is from a Etsy shop, and it says on here his name, but the shop is actually 3Ddesigns, I believe it is. And so I'm going to show you my new drill plate. And again, as always, we're trying the camera from a different angle this time, where I can step back and look at it and see if we're close to that magical 12-minute cutoff point. So again, let's get to it. Alright, so let's open this bad boy up. I am super excited. I will put the link to his shop in the description. I'm all out of frame, aren't I? Yep. In the description box below. And he has all kinds of drill plates that you can order. I think they're made on demand though, because it didn't ship immediately. Pour it out. Come on, baby. Can you see that? What do you think it is? I'll give you a few seconds to guess what that is. Can you guess? Can you guess? Do. I'll give you a few seconds. Take a guess. Do. 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 Do 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 do. I can't wait any longer. Yay! Ta-da! Let's let you get a good look at that. Look, it's my new drill plate. It's a pineapple, 'cause I'm sweet on the inside. So you can see the inside. There's the back. I thought it would be a tad bit bigger, but that's okay. It still looks like a pineapple. I don't know that I could make it focus inside to see that you actually see the little diamonds inside. Let's see. Focus. There you see those, the marks of the pineapple in there. Yay, 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 yay. All right. So that's my pineapple drill plate. And yes, it has the lines in there to line your drills up in. And it's really hard too. I mean, that's pretty hard. And it feels pretty hard. It feels sturdy. And I don't know that it's much bigger than the little white boats, which is a little disappointing. I wanted it to be bigger, because I'm tired of that little white boat, but that's okay. At least this one is party. Alright, if I can pick this up. The shop on Etsy. Let's see. Focus, focus. Come on, baby, focus. This is where autofocus, where I like to put the camera on auto. I don't know that I'm going to get your clear picture. I will take a picture of the card and put it in the shop is on Etsy, and it's called My 3D Designs. And the guy's name is Dan Weeks. All right. And so his Etsy shop is www.etsy.com/shop/my3ddesigns, and locally owned and crafted near Tacoma, Washington. All right. So that's the owner of the shop. And, oh, okay, what's on the back? Thank you for your order. Each item is created in my shop near Tacoma, Washington. Made in the USA. Hey! All right, so there you go. There is my new pineapple drill plate. All right, you've got a good look. Let's put it here. And there, you probably hear me breathing like Darth Vader because I'm right next to the camera. All right. All right. And there's, you can see right there, the little spout to pour. There it is, to pour your beads back, and then it comes out of that leaf right there. Yes. Oh, man, I miss autofocus. Okay, so that's cool. All right, let's put it back. All right, so let me give you some information about my purchase in case you would like to purchase a pineapple or one of his other designs for yourself. So I ordered this on April the 16th. It was $12.95. There was $3 and some change for shipping, and it came out to $16.04. This is the pineapple shaped diamond painting tray. As far as shipping, I ordered it on the 16th, and as I said earlier, I do believe that he makes them on demand because it did not ship immediately. I received it on April the 30th, and I have so much mail and China mail that I've been marking on the packet the arrive date to help me remember when I got it physically, in addition to the tracking information. So we got it on the 30th. You saw me unwrap it from the bag, and that is it. This is probably the quickest unbagging ever, which is cool because now you can go watch a couple of other unbaggings or unboxings. And again, I got a pineapple. Let me remind you to always be like a pineapple. Always wear a crown, always stand tall, and always be sweet on the inside. Remember, friends, if you're having a great day, help someone else have a great day. Love and shimmies.